everybody. Today we're going to work a little bit on spins, specifically trying to transition from a 3-spin to a 4-spin, which typically is the number of spins where I at least personally encountered spin confusion. So I haven't been training at all since Annabelle left about 5 months ago. So this should be interesting. I'm going to try to do it right along with you. The first thing you have to make sure before you even do your spin is that your wind-up technique is very solid, fast, and clean. I know there are different styles for wind-ups. I use the low hip whip right down there. I know that these days WBTF likes the behind the back whip. It's not my particular fancy, so I'm going to do it my way. And I know that NBTA often uses the large upper whip, which I also don't teach that style, but you're welcome to do it in your own whip way. Make sure that you're starting from a solid 3rd position, that your feet pull into a super tight susu on whatever wind-up you're doing, so there's no extra anything getting in the way of you doing a clean spin. Push off from the front. I don't care what you've done up until this point, you're pushing from the front now. We're going to pull tight, push, and as you put your push out, that's your thumb flip, and you're going to wrap your arms as tight as you can with no light being seen through your arms. You want to stay as tight and pencil-like and straight as you can. Pull your body up out of the ground like you're growing into the ceiling as you spin. So if you have your clean 3-spin, woo, which I don't. Let's try that again. Pull up, wrap, and stop solid. Now to go to a 4, what you need to think of is tossing barely higher. Don't throw this thing out into the universe for a 4-spin. If you're going from a 3 to a 4, it will cause you more spin confusion. Keep it low and tight, and no matter where the baton ends up, just hear your feet do this shh. Like I can hear the spin on my feet happening. And I try to blur my spins, which means I'm not like kind of jerking and stopping at the end of each one. I'm going to try to blur and let my feet do this sound of 4 spins. I'm thinking more of a sound than anything else. Let's see how close I get because it's been forever. Pulling up, wrap tight. I don't know how many that was.
That looked like more.
It sounded like 4 on my feet. So again, we're pulling up tight, push. And I heard my foot spinning, and even though the baton wasn't there, I didn't stop in the middle of my 3rd one. I kept going. That was actually a good example for you guys who are trying to learn it from 3 to 4, because I knew I had my baton placed and I just kept spinning. And that's how you get used to it. I don't know if that's 4 or not. I'll have to count. But anyway, I'm not the one needing to learn it. You are. Good luck with it. If you have any questions, ask and video yourself doing it. That is the best tool that I can have as an instructor, is to see your actual attempts. And I can correct what I feel would help you in the individual spin. That's it. I'm dizzy.